Hey there, I'm Mary-Claire Fredette, and here's what tribe means to me. What tribe means to me is that it's more than just the tangible things, such as the recurring income, which has been fantastic because I've been able to pay off some bills, which obviously has been very helpful for my large family. But the intangible things I think matter just as much or maybe even more because it makes me realize that I have more potential and great opportunity for growth in the future. I feel like I'm standing taller. I feel like I'm speaking with more confidence. I'm doing things I would have never done in a million years before. Hashtag introvert. I'm doing Facebook Lives. I'm doing interviews. I would have never done any of that had it not been for Tribe. But also the community that we have, offering help, suggestions, feedback, giving you support, and helping you think outside the box. It's just fantastic, and I would not be where I am right now and looking forward to the future so much had it not been for Tribe. So thank you.